A tenant can get legal aid to make a landlord fix problems in their house, but only in quite limited situations, unfortunately. So it used to be that you could get legal aid to run a whole disrepair claim, but now you can only get legal aid where there's a serious risk to the health or safety of the tenant or someone they live with, and you can only get legal aid to fix these serious problems, not to fix any of the other problems, and not to get compensation. So there's two main ways in which a lawyer would help a tenant to get the problems fixed in their home. The first one of these is a disrepair claim. So that's a civil claim where you take your landlord to court to enforce the terms of the tenancy agreement, and to get the problems fixed specifically which affect the structure and exterior of the property and of the services for gas, electricity and water. Usually this kind of case would take a really long time to do, and you issue it in court. It could take a year, and you get all the problems fixed and you get your compensation. So as I said before, legal aid would only be available just to start the claim off and to fix the most serious problems, and then you'd be stuck without being able to get the other problems fixed or without being able to get your compensation. The second way that lawyers can help tenants to force landlords to fix problems in their home is through what's called an Environmental Protection Act claim. And this is where there's something in your house which is prejudicial to health. So that fits in quite nicely with the legal aid definition of a serious risk to health. So you can get legal aid again to start this kind of claim off. However, because eventually when these claims are started in court, they're criminal claims and they're started in the magistrate's court, legal aid isn't available to start it in court. So if you're not successful in getting your landlord to fix the problems by the first letter writing and so forth, then you're stuck without legal aid. However, this doesn't mean that you can't get legal assistance to make your landlord fix problems in your home. You can, and Anthony Gold regularly offers what's called a conditional fee agreement or no-win, no-fee agreement. So there are different kinds of funding methods available to make landlords fix problems in your home, but unfortunately legal aid is quite limited. Some of the kind of problems which would be seen as prejudicial to health, so that you could run the Environmental Protection Act claim, would be, for example, very serious mould or mice or rats. Other kinds of claims which could be a serious risk to health, so that you could get legal aid, would be, for example, if there was a structural problem with your property and that the ceilings might cave in or the stairs might fall down, something like that.